Maya, what are you eating? Yeah, you gonna clean up your mess? Yeah, if you sit on it, it doesn't mean that it's not there. Okay, why did you tear up the trash? Maya. Maya. You can ignore me all day. I'm not going anywhere. Maya. Wow. Little witch. Hi, Blondie OG. How's that girl? Are you OG, Blondie?
She's trying to wag her tail.
Uh,
Maya. Maya.
she's ignoring. Oh, Maya, look here. Look at me. Maya, look at me. Witch. You're in trouble. Look up. Look here. Why did you tear up the trash? Maya. Maya. You can't hide. Sorry. Can't hide. You're in trouble. Why did you tear up the trash? Huh? That's not good girl. That's bad girl. I'll get the belt. Maya. You want me to get the belt? Okay, well, that's not going to help any. Yeah, because you want to play nice and sweet with Blondie? Yeah, not impressive. Yeah, doesn't work for me.
No, stop. It looks like y'all are kissing.
Quit.